Welcome to NSOffice.AI, an enterprise AI platform built to move the metrics your business runs on. You and your team can access real-time web, unlock your enterprise knowledge, and automate work with AI. Let's take a quick tour and see how work gets done. Every day, enterprise teams analyze data, brainstorm ideas, search for answers, create content, and execute work. With NSOffice.AI, every interaction starts from one place, the decision bar, helping every team, from sales and marketing to HR, finance, and legal, work with AI in a single place. Let's take a look. Let's say you're evaluating an expansion into Riyadh. Simply ask NSOffice.AI. It researches the market, competitors, risks, and opportunities in real time, giving you comprehensive business insights within minutes. Need another perspective? Switch between the world's leading AI models instantly, without restarting the conversation. Your entire context moves with you, so every model continues exactly where the last one left off. Some work is simply too confidential for public AI. That's where Phantom comes in, our private small language model that keeps every conversation securely inside your enterprise environment. Web intelligence is only half the story. NSOffice.AI securely connects with your CRM, ERP, Outlook, SharePoint, and other enterprise systems, bringing all your business knowledge into a single AI experience. Instead of reading hundreds of emails, simply ask, which emails need your attention, and I'll surface the ones that matter most. Connect SharePoint and instantly search your organization's documents and knowledge with a single prompt. Suppose you want to understand why your operating expenses increased last quarter. I'll bring Oracle into the conversation and pull the financial data you need, making every future query richer, faster, and more contextual. The Hive is home to enterprise-ready AI workflows called Bees, designed for sales, marketing, HR, finance, legal, and every business function. Planning a campaign, the Ad Radar Bee analyzes competitor campaigns, identifies winning messaging, and automatically creates campaign-ready copy, images, and videos, helping your team move from research to execution in minutes. Preparing for an important client meeting, simply provide the company name and stakeholder. The Client Dossier Bee researches the company, recent developments, financials, existing relationships, and recommends personalized talking points, turning hours of preparation into minutes. Finally, let's explore the creative side of NSOffice.AI. You are launching a new campaign for a company, say for Cello, one of India's most prominent and trusted household consumer goods, and need fresh creatives across multiple channels. You simply just have to describe the campaign, and I will generate campaign-ready images, videos, and creatives in minutes. That's NSOffice.AI, a horizontal enterprise AI platform, helping you and your team achieve the metrics that matter to your enterprise.